Today we are going to learn about a 4 to 16 decoder. A 4 to 16 decoder has 4 inputs and 16 outputs. Well, this is the circuit diagram of a 4 to 16 decoder. Here we take the 4 inputs as A, B, C and D, and the outputs as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and so on till D15. In a 4 to 16 decoder, only one of the outputs is selected depending upon a particular combination of the 4 inputs. So, when all of A, B, C and D are 0, we see that only the output D0 is 0 and the rest of the outputs are 1. Now, if we change input A to 1, we see that the output D1 changes to 0 and the rest are 1. Similarly, if we pass input B as 1, we see that the output D2 changes to 0 and the rest are 1. Now, if we pass both A and B as 1, we see that the output D3 changes to 0. Now, if we pass only the input C as 1, we see that the output D4 changes to 0. Again, if we pass A and C as 1, the output D5 changes to 0. Similarly, if we pass B and C as 1, the output D6 changes to 0. Now, if we pass A, B and C as 1, the output D7 is 0 and the rest are 1. Now, if we pass the input D as 1, the output D8 is 0. Again, if we pass the inputs A and D as 1, the output D9 is 0. Similarly, if we pass the inputs B and D as 1, the outputs D10 is 0. Again, if we pass the inputs A, B and D as 1, the output D11 is 0. Now, if we pass the inputs C and D as 1, the output D12 is 0. Again, if we pass the inputs A, C and D as 1, the output D13 is 0 and the rest are 1. Similarly, if we pass the inputs B, C and D as 1, D14 is 0, and if we pass all the inputs as 1, the output D15 is 0. So, we see that only one of the outputs is selected or is 0 for a particular combination of the inputs. Well, that's all. So, this is how a 4 to 16 decoder works. Thank you.